Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are staying safe at your home. So, in the previous video session, we have discussed the 9 principles of management given by Sir Henry Fayol. So, let's start with the 10th principle of management, that is principle of order. According to principle of order, each and everything should be placed in its right place. A proper place for everything and everything in its right place. A place for everyone and everyone in his appointed place. So there should be 2 orders, material orders and social order. Material order means the materialistic things are to be placed in a proper order at its right place. And social order means a place for everyone, that is for human resource, and each and every person should be appointed in that particular place. So if we will follow this principle, we will have a positive impact, that is full utilization of material and human resource. So if we follow this principle, then we can fully utilize our material and human resource. If we will violate this principle, then resources will be misused. Then come principle of equity. So according to principle of equity, all employees should be treated equally and impartially. इट मीन्स ये नहीं है कि ये मेरा रिश्तेदार है तो इसको मैं वी कैन से दैट ज़्यादा सैलरी दूंगा और अगर वो काम नहीं करेगा तो उसको मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा. तो इट मीन्स यू हैव टू बी ट्रीट ऑल द एम्प्लॉयज़ वेदर दे आर योर फ्रेंड्स, वेदर दे आर योर रिलेटिव्स, यू शुड ट्रीट देम इक्वली, यू शुड ट्रीट देम इम्पार्शली. If we will follow this principle in an organization, increase the sense of devotion to the organization. तो वो कहते हैं कि अगर हम ये प्रिंसिपल अडॉप्ट करेंगे तो इससे क्या है, द एम्प्लॉयज विल बी हाईली डिवोटेड और डेडिकेटेड टुवर्ड्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इफ वी विल वायलेट दिस प्रिंसिपल, देन स्किल्ड वर्कर लूज कॉन्फिडेंस इन द ऑर्गेनाइज. जो स्किल्ड होंगे, तो इफ वी विल प्लेस स्किल्ड एंड अनस्किल्ड at the same level, then जो skilled workers and they will lose confidence that skilled workers are placed in the same of unskilled workers. तो जो skilled workers हैं वो अपना confidence lose करना शुरू कर देंगे. So there should be equally and impartially treatment to the employees. Then comes stability of personnel. According to this principle, the employees should be placed, or the tenure of the employee should be stable so that they can work continuously efficiently. It means there should not be frequent transfers or frequent termination of the employees. So they should retain their employees at one place for a long duration of time. If we will follow this principle, then increase in reputation of the organization. अगर अपन ये principle follow करके चलेंगे तो जो reputation है वो क्या हो जाएगी, उनकी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. और अगर अपन इसको वायलेट करेंगे तो जो वी हैव टू इंकर अ हैवी रिक्रूटमेंट एक्सपेंसेस एंड ट्रेनिंग एक्सपेंसेस. देन कम 13th principle, principle of initiative. A manager should welcome the thoughts of his or her subordinates. ये नहीं है कि अगर वो subordinates हैं तो they can't give the better ideas. Sometimes a better idea comes from the lower level management also. So you should give them chance. You should give them platform to come forward and give the ideas, give the suggestions for the betterment of the organization. So if we will follow this principle, there will be increase in the thinking power of the employees. अगर employees बड़ा सोचेंगे तो ultimately उनका जो क्या है thinking power है वो increase होएगी. अगर अपन इस principle को violate करेंगे, then atmosphere of non-cooperation. तो अगर हम उनको नहीं अपना मान के चलते तो उनके मन में ये आएगा कि we are not attached to the organization and there can be atmosphere of non-cooperation. So the last principle is principle of spirit the corps. A manager should use the word we instead of I. If there is a team of 4 members and 2 members have done it, so they don't say that I have done it, I have done it. They should replace I with we. They should replace with I with we. यानी कि we have done it, don't I have done it. So if we will follow this principle, there will be sweet relationship. If we will not, if we will apply this principle, then there will be a sweet relationship. And if we will violate them, then it will kill the team spirits. So these are the 5 principles which we have discussed. So please watch this video very carefully, and if you have any query, I will sort out in your next Google Meet session. Thanks and have a nice day.